Hey guys, and welcome back to another vlog. If you are new here, thank you for stopping by, and I hope you click that subscribe button down below and the notification bell to get notified every time I post a new video. So guys, for today's video, I'm just gonna be doing a spend the Sunday with me vlog at home because I'm not gonna be doing much, just a Sunday at home. And yeah, I'll be showing you guys what I do on a random Sunday at home, and yeah, I'll be taking you guys with me. So yeah. Now I'm about to go to Woolies and Food Lovers to get a couple of stuff so that I can cook. So yeah, I'm gonna do that now.
Puffing on me high grade, sipping on me liquor. Girls them a come, them a want, them a take her. Bad man me a coming, me a wanna take her. Girls them a come, them a want it on the liquor. I steady sipping on my liquor. Then I tell her me she give her, never trust another nigga. I say she give me on the nigga. Say she feeling on the nigga, say she want another nigga. Who's that? Baby, tell me who's that? Look back, baby, make you look back. Move that, where you move that. Touch that, baby, me just wanna touch that. Enter me radar. Now you they mash up the place. Enter me radar. Girl, you are what see me brain. The only special one for me. Now you be the only one I see.
I am back from the shops, and like literally 2 minutes after I just walked in, we got load shedded. So I'm not sure if I'll be able to continue with this vlog.
So how are you doing?
And I don't know when it's gonna come back. And I'm hungry.
Are you hungry?
Yes, I'm hungry. Yeah, so yeah, I'll catch up with you guys when the electricity comes back, and hopefully I can like continue doing the cook with me. Yeah, actually I know I said I'll catch up with you guys when the electricity comes back, but I'm so hurt, guys. Like today literally woke up with no electricity, and like we're getting load shedded again. Like please make it make sense. Like how many times a day do we get load shedding?
5:30.
Exactly. One thing about me, I am defeated. Literally, I am defeated. So guys, the electricity is back, and yeah, finally I can cook now. And I've been starving and I haven't eaten because I literally want a home cooked meal. So yeah, that's what I'm gonna do now. And yeah, let's get cooking.
I'm a one on the nigga. I steady sipping on my liquor. Then I tell her me she give her, never trust another nigga. I say she give me on the nigga. Say she feeling on the nigga, say she want another nigga. Who's that? Baby, tell me who's that? Look back, baby, make you look back. Move that, where you move that. Touch that, baby, me just wanna touch that. Enter me radar. Now you they mash up the place. Enter me radar. Girl, you are what see me brain. The only special one for me. Now you be the only one I see. Anywhere I go, I wanna be. Girl, you feel up my fantasy. Let's have a good time. Baby, I'ma make you sweat. Let's have a good time. Baby, I'ma make you sweat. Pour me ya, say she give me pour me ya. In a ya, say she give me in a ya. Man a wine, say she give me dirty wine. Man a grind, say she give me dirty wine. Say, girl, say my wine in every grinding, I don't think so. Any man them me looking at the thing so. Girl, your body say your money while I sing so. Man a bad man a bossing at the thing so. Girl, pon me yard, see me pon me yard. Me na pillow wine, say she give me feel wine. Say let me the pillow wine, say she give me feel my wine. Aye. Man a wine, say she give me pon me yard. Say enter the radar. Now you dey mash up the place. Enter the radar. Girl, you are what see me brain. The only special one for me. Now you be the only one I see. Anywhere I go, I wanna be. Girl, you feel like my fantasy. Let's have a good time. Baby, I'ma make you sweat. Let's have a good time. Baby, I'ma make you sweat.
It's fake kills.
We finna have a good time, you know. Them bomb like them are watching. They are pretty about it. Bad man, what you say?
Standard.
Legit. So now let's make cheese sauce.
Original, puffing on me high grade, sipping on me liquor.
So now I'm done with the mince, and I just need to do the cheese sauce, and then we can put everything together. So I'm just gonna do that now. Yep.
You want another nigga? Who's that? Baby, tell me who's that? Look back, baby, make you look back. Move that, way you move that. Touch that, baby, me just wanna touch that. Enter the radar. Now you they mash up the place. Enter.
And I'm gonna add what is it, butter.
Now you be the only one I see. Anywhere I go, I wanna be. Girl, you feel like my fantasy. Let's have a good time. Baby, I'ma make you sweat. Let's have a good time. Baby, I'ma make you sweat. Pon me yard, say she give me pon me yard. In a yard, say she give me in a yard. Man a wine, say she give me dirty wine. Man a grind, say she give me dirty wine. Say, girl, say my wine, let me grinding at the thing so. Any man, let me looking at the thing so. Girl, your body say your money while I sing so. Man a bad, man a bossing at the thing so. Girl, pon me yard, see me pon me yard. Me na pillow wine, say she give me feel wine. Say let me the pillow wine, say she give me feel my wine. Aye. Man a wine, say she give me for me yard. Say enter the radar. Now you they mash up the place. Enter the radar. Girl, you are what see me brain. The only special one for me. Now you be the only one I see. Anywhere I go, I wanna be. Girl, you feel like my fantasy. Let's have a good time. Baby, I'ma make you sweat. Let's have a good time. Baby, I'ma make you sweat.
It's fake kills.
We finna have a good time, you know. Them bomb like them are watching. They are pretty about it. Bad man, what you say?
Standard.
just gonna put this in the oven, and yeah, I'm done. So I am done cooking. And let's taste the food. Can I just put it like this? The same food. I'm using my fork and knife. Okay. Actually slaps now.
Out of 10, how much would you give it?
Okay. 11. 11.
This actually slaps, y'all. Did you show them the close-up view?
It's so
Here's a
good.
close-up view. Delicious.
I'm gonna give it 10 out of 100. 10 out of 100.
Ah.
That's a low score.
Yeah, I think I should close this vlog, you know.
amazing.
So that is it. Yeah. So that is it for today's vlog, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give it a big thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye.